It's Tuesday and it's time for Teeny Tidy Tuesday. We do this every Tuesday. You can clean up any part of your home or any part of your garden. Some small little project, easy to do, and share it with all of us. And over time, we will get our home and our garden tidied all up. Now, the hostess for this is The Healthful Home. She's an awesome creator. Please go check out her channel if you don't already watch her. And she is on a little bit of a break and she'll be back in February or March. Please watch. So we'll be out here again probably the next couple days getting this area cleaned up. And let's hope by the time this has to go up next week, I have this one small section cleaned out and this one section right here by the block wall where there's nothing back of it. We're hopefully going to get at least 2 or 3 cuttings in there and fill that up. And then that'll be this week until next week's project. So see you then. Don't turn off the video. I'm going to give you an update of what it looks like now after working hard on it for a week. Well, it's Teeny Tidy Tuesday, and here we're going to start sharing what I've done. We tidied up this area, as you can see. Still needs a little more tidying up, but compared to what it did look like, it's looking great. We went right from this little rock all the way over to the sidewalk. Isn't it looking so much better? We're going to do another update on Teeny Tidy Tuesday next week, and we'll put a few more plants in here and make it even look nicer. Just do a little each week and eventually you'll get it looking great. Now we have this one big beautiful grayish green plant that runs all this way down. It started with a 2.5-inch plug, and that's what it's done in about 6 or 7, maybe 8 years, I don't remember exactly. And also in the same area, hang on, I have some California poppies here. They haven't started blooming, but that's what that plant is. And that one over there is another one, and there's some more scattered in here. And we'll probably throw out some more seeds. Oh, look, Buddy's came in to say hi. Buddy, you want to say hi to everybody? Mr. Buddy. Buddy, I guess Mr. Shy Buddy doesn't want to show his pretty little face. He's checking out the garden now. But as you can see, we've made some real progress on Teeny Tiny Tuesday. So I hope you come back every Tuesday and see what's going on over here and enjoy all the other wonderful creators that join in for it. Now this plant here was a free plant because I took a cutting off of my fire plant, and as you can see, this was a zero cost. Nothing in here I had to do because all these plants were already here. And we're going to walk down here and see another beautiful plant. And here it is. Now it's going to get a lot prettier than what you see right now, but you can at least see the beginning of it. And as you can see, I have another California poppy there and a few more weeds I need to still pull out, but we're getting close to getting this area cleaned up. And love all the beautiful flowers, and I think we've done a pretty great job getting it cleaned up in here. Like I said, we'll come back and check it out in a couple of weeks. Hopefully by then I'll have a few more things pulled out, and I'll have these blocks down here planted with something from my garden, so that'll be a free post also. I want to show you my fire plant before I stop. Now I would like to block some of these cars next to my block wall, and I'm going to show you what else I want to block. And this is how much stuff I took out of my yard in a small area. And this is a pretty big trash can. So we did a super good cleaning out job here. So a little at a time. And like I said, this wasn't a large part of my yard, and it's still a full trash can. Do a teeny tidy little part of your yard or house every week, and eventually it will look great. Well, I'm not just working on the yard, I also am working on my office. I had 4 bags of trash going out of the office, if you can believe that. I hopefully will be able to show you my office by spring. It is such a mess, it's not going to get cleaned up overnight. But if we keep doing something every week, eventually, a little at a time, we'll get it cleaned up. Maybe eventually I'll give you one little corner of the office until we get it clean. But right now it's a total mess, and I'm ashamed to share it with you. And look at how bad my yard started out being. It looked really, really bad, but with just a little bit of time and a little bit of effort each day, just about 20 to 30 minutes of cleaning out, eventually you will get the area looking great. As you saw, I got it pretty well cleaned out, and how much better the plants looked with all the weeds pulled out. It doesn't take a lot. That's what's great about Teeny Tidy Tuesday. We work on a little tiny piece every week until we get it cleaned up. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support as always. I really do appreciate it also. You don't know how much it means to me to have you here. And how I got that fire plant, I took a cutting from this plant right here.